AI will take your job in 2024 if it hasn't already. On this video, I'm going to tell you why and what to do about it. AI is disrupting every industry since the beginning of 2023, and it's not just a single industry. It's not just web development. It's law, it's healthcare, it's transportation. AI is a disrupting force. In 2024, many tools and platforms exist that allow users unfettered access to information that just wasn't available before, or at least not so easily accessible. The other thing is that AI is democratizing access to this information and the ability to create websites and apps. Whether you're using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or platforms like Webflow, Wix, Squarespace, and even WordPress has AI built in now. People with little technical knowledge are able to build truly amazing things, and I think that's a good thing, but it also puts our jobs at risk. Some will claim that AI is not going to be taking our jobs anytime soon because in many ways it sucks, especially when it comes to the quality of the code that it writes. But the thing to remember or note is that the underlying models and the code that they write are being enhanced by platforms that use agents and agent chains to ensure that the output is better aligned with user expectations and best practices. So no, AI is not perfect right now, but it's getting better. So what can we do about it? I think we have two options. One, we level up in the existing industries that we're working in and become indispensable by leveraging AI and becoming more valuable to our own business or the companies that we're working for. I think that's a valid path and one that's worth taking. The other one, and this is the one that I'm taking, is to diversify our income streams by leveraging our existing skills in web development, software development, mobile app development, our knowledge of how DNS works, how basic email campaigns and funnels work. By doing this, we're able to use our existing knowledge and complement it with new skills that allow us to be able to bring our ideas and deliver our value in a different way than just exchanging time for money. Complementary skills might be learning more about marketing, taking a course on sales, or even diving into content creation. And of course, if you, like me, have always worked for an agency or for a single client as a subcontractor, and you've always really had only one source of income, things can get a little sketchy. In fact, for me, I've waited way too long to get started building my personal brand, building an audience, being present in social media, at least in a way where I'm taking it seriously, because my success in my own ventures depends on all of those. So I will admit I'm a little late to the party, but you don't have to make that same mistake. I'm making you aware of the potential for AI disruption and displacing of your job, and we can adapt. We can look at it not with fear, but as an opportunity to explore new ventures, to explore some hidden passions that we haven't been able to explore before, and to build an audience that we can then monetize through different channels. So I hope you'll embark on this journey with me, where we go from a single source of income as web developer or software engineer or UI designer, etc., someone working in the web development space, and we find new and creative ways to monetize our skills, our knowledge, our passions. My journey is going to be about helping people with content creation and marketing. Along the way, I will be writing books and creating courses that hopefully people will find value in and be able to provide a secondary or tertiary, or maybe eventually a primary source of income. If you're interested in that, please follow along and comment below what's standing in your way, what roadblocks are preventing you from getting started, and I'll make sure to create a tutorial or give you tips or provide a resource that can help you overcome that. So start working on your online presence, your personal brand, and start devising a monetization strategy so that you don't get caught with your pants down. See you on the next one.